Travel. Not about plane tickets checked versus carry-on free continental breakfasts. Part destination, part journey, fully immersive. About being in the moment. New perspectives, shared knowledge, the road less traveled. Hospitality that opens new doors beyond breathtaking skylines and adrenaline-fueled adventures. The UAE is in timeless conversation with the sands that stand witness to the country's visions realized. Endless towering dunes, shifting crests marking out centuries. To the untrained eye, inhospitable, empty. For the UAE, it represents heritage, tradition, natural beauty. A canvas for ambitious agricultural development, transforming the desert into a green land. You're invited on this journey down the road less traveled to harvest the fruits of this transformation and experience living in the desert as never before. By combining the goals of SDME 2018 with new opportunities in desert farming and the natural beauty of the Emirates, Team NYUAD presents the first LEED Platinum agricultural tourism destination in the UAE. The house harnesses the abundant solar energy in the Arabian Peninsula to redefine sustainable living, leveraging solar panel advancements, improvements in energy storage, and high-efficiency appliances to operate comfortably independent of the electrical grid. Passive and active systems harmonize to elevate comfort levels and enhance overall house performance. Awnings shade windows, reducing cooling requirements. Floor-to-ceiling glass invites in natural sunlight and panoramic views. Windows automatically change opacity to regulate morning and evening sun. Our design seamlessly blends technology and user experience. The house monitors activity, occupancy and weather to proactively manage temperature, water usage and electrical performance with minimal user input. The house will be prefabricated in sections, easing the final build and eliminating many on-site works that contribute to construction waste. Mirroring life in the Emirates, our design juxtaposes past and future. Reclaimed teak from dhow boats, interior details from emerging designers and artists in the UAE. Throughout the life of the house, maintenance and upgrades are inevitable. Our design demands flexibility from all surfaces to anticipate solutions not yet invented. These principles are core to Team NYUAD's design philosophy, delivering elegant and marketable solutions for the competition and beyond. SDME 2018 is a stepping stone on the journey to launch the first LEED Platinum agricultural tourism destination in the UAE, working with partners in government and industry to create opportunities for travelers and residents to gain new perspectives, exchange knowledge, and redefine sustainable living. Team NYUAD, agricultural tourism reimagined.